This truck driver gets instant karma for speeding past cops. Check it out.
That's a cop. He's gonna get got. Cops! Ah!
This Audi driver was going way over the speed limit on a highway, just to be pulled over moments later. This biker ran a stop sign and gets instant karma. This is a reminder that you should never text and drive.
Thank you! Yeah! Yeah! Yes!
That's had a few upwards and some dips and some flats. And
yes, it has.
That's really...
This red truck driver didn't saw a patrol car behind him, and well, you can guess what will happen next.
Any actor, no matter who you are, he said he was talking to somebody about doing stand. I think it was Tell Dave off. He said, "Keep doing stand. I don't care how famous you get as an actor. After about 8 years, you're always the last one. You're always the last guy we call out. You're the dollar back."
What?
Yeah, and that was a big thing, man.
This is how you're gonna end up when you go over speed limit in front of the cops.
Nah, you need to back up.
Oh, that's the police.
Oh, good. Somebody fooling. Yeah, y'all caught now. Uh-huh.
Yeah, 'cause I could have got shot right there.
Let's, yep, pull you over too.
fuel line of a car. I know space from the front line out. You know, get his attention.
biker was speeding over the posted limit when a trooper noticed him. The officer activated his lights and started closing in, but the biker had other plans. He didn't pull over and attempted to flee.
.98 crank call, I believe. 098 crank call. Actually, turn on that 28. Coming up to baseline.
University coming up to baseline.
Behind the blue giant, here at baseline at Chico.
You better stop!
With nowhere left to go on his bike, he tried to run away on foot, but was quickly caught and arrested.
What heart problems do you have?
Bronchitis.
That's not a heart problem.
Pay close attention at the SUV on the left because he's about to get instant karma. G-Wagon driver was speeding when he drove past cops and got pulled over instantly. Check out how one driver gets pulled over for tinted windows. This reckless driver was speeding and cutting off everyone on the road, and 15 minutes later, he got what he deserved.
Oh, that is.
After getting a call from his colleague for assistance in a high-speed pursuit, a trooper jumped into action. His colleague couldn't close in on the suspect, but watch what happens when this trooper joins the chase.
D29, 461024. White Ford Fusion, 265, exit eastbound.
City standbound, maybe 10:34.
1037, 10 tag. Turns into a gravel road.
Yeah, I believe so. At some point it does. Yeah, if you're on base so low, it's going to turn to gravel pretty quick. 5556, take the 265, go north. 897, go ahead towards Buck Lake Road.
I just lost the tail lights and turned to gravel. I'm going down.
29, keep the video.
Yeah, wrecked out. Roll over, give me a 1016.
After losing sight of the suspect, the trooper came across a car that had rolled over upside down. It was the suspect. They arrested him immediately.
Ellie, is she awake? Are you awake, baby? Shut up! Keep your hands out there! Keep your hands out there! Hey!
Alright, get down. Crawl out to me. Crawl out to me.
Get your hand over here.
There's 2 more people in the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Where's she at?
One in the front seat, one in the passenger. They still,
I don't see the other passenger. Crawl out to me. Crawl out to me. You got her.
Action, maybe?
Maybe. Yeah!